Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artworks. And one of those amazing drawings that we're going to be doing today is that of a gerbil. I've had a special request from Flo. And I'm wondering how many of you have gerbils at home? Leave me a message in the comment section below, I'd like to know. So get yourself some plain white paper. You will need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. And don't forget, if you like to draw animals, you can download my free PDF of how to draw horse galloping, which you could download from the link just here. So let's get started. We're going to start off with an oval shape towards the centre of the page and tilting slightly to the right hand side. So if we just draw a nice big oval shape, just like this, just doesn't have to be perfect, nice and rough. Remember, these are our preparatory lines. These are our guidelines. So we're going to be erasing them all in a second, so it doesn't really matter. There we go, nice big oval shape. Now for the head, it's going to be tilting in this direction, so we're going to be doing another oval shape, just ever so slightly higher than this one. So, here we go. A nice rough oval shape, just like this. There we go, brilliant. Okay, now we're going to join up the two ovals, so we're going to be doing the neck. So here we're just going to draw a curved line, just joining them up like this. Then we're going to be drawing another curved line. So draw a little dot there and a little dot about there. We're going to be joining them up. And don't forget, if I go too quickly, just hit pause, catch up, and then do the rest. There's no rush. Okay, fantastic. Now we're going to be adding in the ears. So a nice little pointy ear here, just like that. And another little ear just poking out from behind here. Now for the eye, so they've got these lovely big huge gerbil eyes, nice big circle there. And now for the feet, so one here and another one here. And for the tail, see how it's taking shape so quickly, isn't it? Really looks like a gerbil already. Stick with me and we're going to add in lots of details. Okay, now we're going to focus on the head. I've swapped over to pen just so that you can see it better on camera, but please stick with pencil. Okay, I'm going to start off with a little nose. So just on the end of this oval shape, I've just added a little nose. It's going to come up, and then all the way around, following that oval shape that we did before. Okay, now we're just going to draw the little furry chops. So just using little tiny dashes. Just drawing the little furry chops, just like that. Now for the eye, so we're going to add on little pointy bits on either side of this circle that we did before. So one little pointy bit there, we'll follow the circle, another little pointy bit there. There we go. Now we're going to do the circle in the middle, and then I'm going to add one big circle and one little circle. Can you see that? Just to show the reflection of the light. And then I'm going to colour it all in. There we go. There we go. Okay, now we're going to do the ears. So I'm going to be following this line that we did before. That comes down like that. But we're also going to add the inside of the ears. So a shape like that. And it's going to come round and in like so. And I'm just going to add a little bit of shadow inside. Going to draw the other one, just like that. Okay, let's carry on. So we're going to draw the neck and the back. So I'm just going to follow the lines that we did before. But here, I'm going to draw some furry lines. All the way down, following this oval shape that we did before. And then all the way up, all the way up. But when we get to here, I'm just going to go inwards a little bit. Just like so. Next, I'm going to add the shoulder. So again, with these little dashy lines, I'm going to draw dashy lines coming down, just like that. Then I'm just going to draw the little paws. So it's eating a sunflower seed. So I'm just going to draw the little paws, just holding a sunflower seed. Did you know that gerbils' teeth never stop growing? That's why they have to constantly gnaw on wood and on cardboard, just to keep them in shape. I didn't know that. Okay, so we're bringing this little arm down and it comes all the way around, just like that. Okay, we're going to add in the sunflower seed. So you can just make out a bit of it, just colour it in like that. And we're going to finish off the head. So again, using these little dashy lines, they're the best way to show fur. Okie dokie. I'm going to add a few dots, just where the whiskers come out. We'll add the whiskers in a second. Okie dokie. Now for the tummy. So these little dashy lines come all the way down, like that. And then for the foot, so one here first. Don't forget the toes. So one. There we go, and add on some little toenails, just like that. And for the other one, so when I was doing my research about gerbils for this video, I discovered that in America, in California and Hawaii, their climate's so similar to that of where the gerbils originate from, that they're not allowed to keep gerbils as pets. That's because if they escape, then they'll totally disrupt the ecosystem. There we go, we're really doing well here. Now for the tail, so just follow the line that we did before, nice long tail, all the way up from here and down. We're going to add in some fur, just like this, because it's got a furry tail, just like so. Okay, so if you haven't gone over it in pen yet, go over it in pen now, and then we're going to erase all the pencil markings. Okay, now we're going to add in the finishing touches, so we're going to add in some whiskers. So just like this, just add in some whiskers, just using little flicks of the pen, just like this. We're going to make it a bit darker underneath the chin because this is all in shadow. So just making it a lot darker down here. There we go. And then I'm going to add in some shadow underneath the gerbil, just so that it's not like flying in the air. We can show that it's actually sitting on some, I don't know where it's sitting in its cage. Here we go. Just using lines in one direction just to show the shadow. Just doing it in all the places underneath here. There we go. And there's our finished gerbil drawing. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed this one, you're going to love this video. So click on the link now. And don't forget to hit subscribe and like and leave me comments in the comments section. I love hearing from you. So tell me all about your pets. Take care and see you on the next one. Bye bye.